Hello and welcome to our coding tutorial series. Today, we're going to be learning how to create a basic phone application using Python and the Kivy library.
Kivy is an open-source library for creating multi-touch applications. It's great for creating apps that run on multiple platforms, including Windows, Mac, Linux, and Android. In this tutorial series, we'll be creating a simple phone app that allows you to make calls and send text messages. In this first part of the tutorial, we'll be covering the following topics: setting up your development environment, installing the Kivy library, creating a basic Kivy application, understanding the Kivy app structure. First, let's make sure we have everything we need to get started. To follow along with this tutorial, you'll need to have Python 3 and pip installed on your computer. You can download them from the official Python website and from Play Store Python 3. Once you have Python and pip installed, you can check their version by running these commands in your terminal. Now that we have our development environment set up, let's install the Kivy library. To do this, we'll use pip. You can install Kivy by running the following command. Once the installation is complete, you should be able to import the Kivy library in your Python scripts. Once the installation is complete, you should be able to import the Kivy library in your Python scripts. Now that we have Kivy installed, let's create a basic Kivy application. We'll start by importing the necessary modules, and then we'll create a simple app that displays a button on the screen. This code creates a simple Kivy app that displays a button with the text "Hello World" when you run it. Now that we've created a basic Kivy app, let's take a look at the structure of a Kivy app. A Kivy app has two main parts, the app class and the widgets. The app class is responsible for creating and managing the app, while the widgets are the elements that make up the user interface. In this tutorial, we've only covered the basics of creating a Kivy app. In the next part of the video we'll cover Kivy in second level, so subscribe, like, support. Thanks for watching.